Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore the latest update on how to add a blog link to your LinkedIn profile using your PC. This is a fantastic way to showcase your writing and connect with your network. Let's dive into the steps. First, open LinkedIn on your computer and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the Me icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile options. Next, you'll want to navigate to Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Account Preferences. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Now, under Profile Information, find and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can edit essential details about yourself that are visible to others. After that, it's time to update your contact info. Click on the section that says Edit Contact Info. A pop-up window will appear, giving you access to modify your contact details. In this pop-up, look for the Website section. Here, you can add your blog link. Click on Add Website, and a new field will open up for you to enter your website URL. Now, here's where it gets exciting. You need to choose the type of website you're adding. For this purpose, select Blog as the website type from the drop-down menu. This classification helps others understand what kind of content they can expect when they visit your link. Once you've entered all the necessary information and selected blog as the type, don't forget to click Save. This ensures that all your changes are updated in your profile. And there you have it. Your blog link is now part of your LinkedIn profile, making it easier for connections and potential employers to discover your work. Remember, keeping your profile updated not only enhances your professional image, but also opens up new opportunities for networking. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn experience.